the string. Alright, but we have to figure out how to get this straight. I have an idea. I'll just move to the other side. Please. Yeah, trust her! Trust him!
Just slide over, Alana. Slide over. Okay, my turn. Mom, get the foot.
I'll switch.
No, I want me and you.
Alright.
Mom, here. You take it.
Lulu.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, your screen smashed.
Yeah, no, my nephew dropped it.
Oh,
Ew, spider!
Where?
Get rid of it! Get rid of it! Get rid of it!
Okay,
be careful.
I killed. Ew, you touched it with your foot. No!
Nathan, let her get out.
Get up, Molly, get up. I'm gonna try and carry you. Okay?
Good luck with
Go
that.
off the diving board.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, Lord. If I slip, I'm gonna get you.
Okay.
Hey, wait! Wait, what's he doing? Wait for me!
There's like sandpapery stuff on it. You shouldn't slip.
Come on, guys! Let me have a... Why can't I have a turn?
Damien.
Okay, how's this gonna work?
Are you gonna lay down?
Hey, wait a minute!
What?
Wait a minute!
Nathan, no.
Wait,
I
guys!
got him back.
Why can't you guys...
Hurry up, get up, Mom. Yeah.
Guys! Guys, the rope's done! Austin! Guys! No, wait, that's messed up. You're like, no. Okay, now what? Wait!
Nathan,
Get to the other side!
no more horse playing on the diving board.
And back.
Nathan,
Nathan, no.
listen to me. No horse playing on the diving board.
I won't touch you.
Okay? Nathan?
If you drop me, I kill you. Do not drop me, Austin!
Nathan!
Hey, what about me?
Who's going to drop you?
Nathan, don't push anymore.
What? I'm trying to help me. Going the way down. Don't push me.
No pushing on the diving board. Nathan, you heard me?
Get out.
Go, Nathan, run. Go, hurry up, go.
Let's do a dive, Nathan.
Go do that. Go. That's my turn. Go.
Oh, no! See if we can do a perfect jump without me scaring you. Yeah. Ready?
Watch out.
Watch out. No.
I'm moving. I know. Help.
Wait your turn.
Set.
Go.
Go.
Ah!
Go.
5.
Oh, no!
5.
My turn, Betty.
Austin, do a backflip. Oh, yeah.
I can't do a backflip.
She
I'll do a
did.
butt
Back.
flip now, ready?
Benny,
It's
do
gonna
a
hurt.
butt stop. Butt stop.
What the heck? What's
Oh, my
that?
ass! Oh, God.
Why would you do that?
Oh, I couldn't hit it once.
Why did you do that?
Ready? Mommy! Ready?
Remember how Ashley did it?
Wait. Ready? I'm gonna go first.
Be careful, Nathan.
Yay!
Ah!
Okay. Ready?
No wrestling up there. No wrestling. Boys, I said stop. Someone's going to get hurt. Damien. Damien. I said no pushing on the diving board. Did you want me to take pictures or a video?
Okay.
Want me to take a picture or video?
Yeah.
Pictures?
Yeah.
Oh. How do you take a picture
I
then?
wanted to get all 4 of us together.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it.
Recording or pictures, Lana?